These are dyes with soap dyes, which I'm making into solutions like this. So I'm gonna take this stuff, take these dyes, leaf green's the second dye I'm gonna add. Bubble wrap. You have to be careful so none of it gets on your fingers. But they're non-toxic dyes, so that shouldn't be a problem. Put that back. And then we have sky blue, which is the final sky blue. See, I have lots of dyes here, about 16, but I can only put so many dyes on a piece of paper. Maybe about 3 or 4 to 5, if I'm lucky. Then I'm going to put lemon yellow dye. Put this back, not needed. Lemon yellow. You don't want to it sort of mixes with different dyes and creates different patterns. Then we have some more bubble wrap here, and we're just gonna blot dry some of the bubble wrap. And here we go. Good results of bubble wrap type dye with these types of dye that I can just add to paper, and because they're in small sample, I'm only using a few drops at a time, and there's 10 millimeters. That's 300 drops total of each sample, so I can use a lot of it. And it was only about $34 on Etsy, so I can do a lot more of it. It's pretty cool.